Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can add any contact to your speed dial list in Teams. Contacts in your speed dial list appear before anyone else under the default speed dial contact group in the Calls view in Teams, making it even easier to find someone, check their availability if possible, and then call them. To add an existing contact in Teams to your speed dial list, click the Calls button in the app bar. Then click the Contacts link in the Calls pane to the right. In the Contacts content pane to the right, click the More Options ellipsis to the right of the existing contact to add, and then select Add to Speed Dial from the menu that appears. To add a new contact in Teams and also add them to your speed dial list at the same time, click the Calls button in the app bar. Then click the Speed Dial link in the Calls pane to the right. In the Speed Dial content pane, any manually created contact groups and the default Other Contacts contact group appear. Next, click the Add Speed Dial button in the upper right corner of the content window to open the Add Speed Dial dialog box. This functions the same way as the Add to Contacts dialog box, which we discussed in the previous lesson titled 5.3 Creating Contacts and Contact Groups does. Use this to add the new contact to your speed dial group. The contact then appears at the top of the content window under speed dial, where you can view their availability status and quickly contact them in the future. To remove a contact from your speed dial list, click the More Actions ellipsis on the person's contact card and select the Remove from Speed Dial command from the menu.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.